Hello, we're here for this apartment tour. We're going to take a look at this 5-bedroom here on Oakdale Street. And we're going to just show you what it looks like. We're going to go right in the door and right in the apartment. So here's where your mailbox would be. And come on up. And this is it. So this is a 5-bedroom apartment. We'll come back and take a look at the living room here in a second. So it's got a nice big kitchen, white cabinets, dishwasher, stove, refrigerator. It's got a back porch. You can sit out here. You can grill down below. And walk back through here. Look at that natural brick wall. Here's bedroom 1. This has a hutch in it. And look at that. I think that's a queen size bed, pretty good size. Closet across the hall here. Here's the living room. We'll come back and take a better look at the living room. Here's bedroom 2. This is a very big bedroom. So, and they have a closet there. Very big bedroom. Come across here. Here's bedroom 1. There's 2 bathrooms in here. And this is the bathroom. Here's bedroom 3. This is bedroom 3. That, I believe, is a full or queen size bed. Plenty of room here. There's 2 closets, great sunlight. Okay, we're gonna go downstairs, take another look at the living room. Big living room, got a decorative fireplace, not operating. Here's the sunroom. Very good sunlight, big windows. So we're going down the circular stairs. And this is like 2 apartments combined. So this is a second living room. Got built-in shelves there. There's a huge sectional sofa here. People living here now. And here's bedroom 4. It does have a door, but it's kind of they've got this kind of cool curtain up here. This is a huge bedroom. That's a queen-size bed. They have a full-size sofa here. There's like a 40-inch TV. This is a huge bedroom down here. So we'll walk back out and we'll see bedroom 5. This is bedroom 5. Right here, and it's got a closet. That's a full-size bed. There's a little hutch. Here's a bar down here. This is like a second bar area. You can sit here. We're gonna go take a look at the second bathroom. Another bathroom here, and the apartment ends here, but then there's a laundry room for the whole building. And we'll take a look here. This is the laundry for the whole building. So there's washers and dryers. That's the video, under 3 minutes. It's great to live in Chicago. Have a great day on Oakdale Street.